Good morning, class 3rd, and here is our what second chapter. Today we will do second chapter, fifth part of English literature, isn't it? But before that, I would like to request you all to please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, share it, and like the video. Okay, so this was my request to you all, and it will be it will be also useful for you if you will subscribe the video. All right, yes, so let's move further. Let's see what it's written. This exercises. Okay, first what we will do, we will read it. I will explain it to you. All right, so what it is: for words ending with S, CH, X and SH, we add ES to the singular word. For example, now what is this saying? This line is saying, it is saying for ending words with S, means the words which end with S, CH, X, SH, we add ES to the singular word. Okay, yesterday means in our previous class what we have done, we added singular means singular numbers to plural number, and in that what was important, in that what we have done, we have put it S, we have added S, isn't it? But now this is saying that okay, in previous class I've told you to spoon was written, right? And for plural number what we have done, we have added S in it. But here what it is, here the case is something different. Yes, what it is? Here this is saying that if at the end of the word S is there, CH, X, SH, ES, then we have to add ES in it. What we have to add? ES in it. Alright, so your example is bus, buses, B-U-S-E-S, buses, B-U-S-E-S. So do you understand what I am trying to say? Okay, we will learn it here. So easy. See, some words that start with S, comma, not start, some words which ends with S, CH, X, right, and SH. So what we have to do, it's a simple rule. What we have to do, we have to add, alright, we have to add, what we have to add, we have to add ES in it. Okay, what we have to do, we have to add ES in it. Is it clear? For example, suppose it's written bus, S is there at last, this S, then what we will do, we will write here bus, we will write, then what we will add, ES in it. What we have to add, we have to add ES in it. Next word is bench, BENCH. Alright, bench, then what will come? bench. And as I've told you that es we have to add in it, so es will come here. Is it clear? Yes, now back to our studies or back to our exercises. Alright, so bus, buses, es, bench, benches, es. Now next, what is written further? For most words ending with f or fe, okay, most word which is ending with f or fe, we replace f or fe with ves. Now this is saying this line was saying that if the words which ends with f or with f or ef, if the words which are ending with these two words or these two alphabets, sorry, not words but it's alphabet, these two alphabet, then what we have to add? We have to add ves, means we have to replace these words with what? We have to replace these words with what? With these f or ef. We have to replace it with what? Yes, with ves. Okay, suppose it's written knife, knife, isn't it? Knife. Can you see this? So f is there. So what will come here? knives, knives, means we will cut this, we will remove this and we will add the ves. Is it clear? Alright, let's move further. Yes, I think this is very clear. Okay, now next line, what it is? For some words ending with y, some words which are ending with y, we generally replace y with ies. Now the words which are having y, we have to replace it with ies. Is it clear? So baby, baby, so bies, isn't it? Are you getting? Means if the words ends with s, ch, x and sh, then we have to add es in it. And when the words end with f or fe, then we have to replace this f or fe with ves. Alright, now third rule is when a word ends with y, so we have to replace this y with ies. Alright, next what is saying? Next is saying for some words with double o, we replace double o with double e. Now this is saying that some words that alright, this line is saying that some words which are having double o in the word, so what we have to do? We have to replace this double o with double e. Alright, we have to replace this double o with double e. we have to replace this double O with double E. Alright, for example, goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose, geese, G-E-E-S-E. Because when double O will come in the word, then you have to replace it with double E. Alright, foot, feet. Is it clear? Yes. I will give you proper written work in this. Okay, you have to write this. Now, time for the exercise. I've explained you and you have to fill this. If you want, you can take it as a homework, or I will give you some other words to do homework. Alright, so your first word is tooth. You have to change this tooth into its plural form. So what will come here? Double O is coming in between the words. So this double O will convert into, yes, tell me, this double O will convert into what? Yes, this double O will convert into double E. Alright, so T double E T H, teeth. Alright, what it is? Teeth. T double E T H, teeth. Okay, wolf. Wolf will convert into B number. Can you see this? B. It's written OLF. LF, right? So I told you that if I've told you that if F or FE will come, then this F will be changed. This F will be changed, and what it will come means we will replace it with VES. So what will come here? Wolves. 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 Wolves, isn't it? Now next, your C number, DRESS, dress. So if S was there, then what we have to do? If we find or S in the last, then it will convert into ES, isn't it? So what will come here? Dresses. I will write here DRESSES, dresses. Don't worry, I will give a complete written of this. Next is your church. What it is? Church. So church, churches, CHURCHES, churches. Now next one, ELF, ELVES, wish, wishes, WISHES. Alright, wishes. Now if you want, you can take the screenshot of this, or I'm giving you 2-3 minutes, you can note down. Note it fast. Yes, I hope you all have taken the screenshot of this, isn't it? So we will move further. What it's written. Yes. So your next exercise is again you have to fill plural in it. What you have to do? You have to fill plural in it. So what is written? Complete these sentences with the plural forms of the noun given in the bracket. Again we have to write the plural in it. So your first one, there are many dash sitting on the flowers. Butterfly. So what will be the plural of butterfly? Yes, it butterflies. So ly. What it's written? Y, isn't it? So this will convert into ies. Yes. So first number I will write here because space is not that much. Okay, I will write here. First number is butterflies. 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 Your first number. If you want, you can write it. Butterflies. Alright. Have you written? I hope you have done. Okay. Now next. Your second number. What it is? I was B number. I was on my way home carrying dash of bread. Loaf means it's a kind of a bread, you can say in Hindi double roti, right? It's a kind of a bread. Yes, so your second number will be AF, means F is there at last, so this F will convert into loaves. 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 Loaves, isn't it? Loaves. Alright. Yes, this one is your loaves. Now third number is my mother always cuts my dash into halves sandwich, isn't it? Sandwich. So ch is there, then this will convert into es. So what will come? Your C number. Sandwiches. SANDWICHES. Sandwiches, isn't it? Yes. Sandwiches. Alright. Are you able to see? Sandwiches. Your C number. Now we will move for the D, that is, I have several dash to paint with brush. So what your D number is saying, that someone is saying that he or she has several brushes. So what is the plural of brush? Brushes. 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 Alright. Brushes. Isn't it? Now what? This I will guess. If you want, you can take the screenshot now. It's very clear, I think. I've written. Sorry. Yes, sorry. I think it's clear now. Please note down. Yes. Take a screenshot. After this, we will go for a sound check. Yes, I hope you all have taken the screenshot. Yes, from here we will go for the sound check. Listen to the words. Listen to the words carefully. Repeat the words aloud. Now what you have to do? You have to listen to the words and you have to repeat it aloud. Repeat after me. No. No. Rap. Rap. Hour. Hour. Chalk. Chalk. Now next line. In these words we do not pronounce the highlighted letters. These letters are silent. Now the words which are written with red. Okay, the words which are written with red. Alright. Red. These words are silent. The words which I have underlined with green, those words are silent. Means K, W, H, L. These words are what? These words are your silent words. Now let's read further what it's written. So these words are your silent words, isn't it? What are these? These are your silent words. Now what's written next? Now listen to these words and repeat aloud. Now what we have to do? We have to listen to the words which are given down and then again we have to repeat it. So you can repeat after me. Your first word is neighbor, silent, though, way. In these words the letters GH are silent. As you can see, as I have repeated that the words in these words the letter GH means the alphabet GH is silent. Yes. Now this. Yes. What it is? Listen to these words and repeat them aloud. Listen to these words and repeat them aloud. Underline the silent words. In this we have to underline the silent words. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this. So your first word is knee, KNEE. In this K is silent because in the pronunciation only knee is coming, isn't it? But the spelling is KNEE. So our K is silent over here, right? Next word is sight, SIGHT, sight. So GH is silent. Sight, SIT. It's the pronunciation, the way of pronouncing this is SIT, isn't it? But spelling of this is SIGHT. C number, knob. Knob. Okay, NOB. The pronunciation is NOB, but the spelling is KNOB. That means your K is silent. Isn't it? Are you getting my point? Next word. What it is? Through. THROUGH. So your GH is silent. Through. Only the pronunciation is coming this. Through. THROU. But the spelling is, what's the spelling? The spelling is THROUGH. Alright. Isn't it easy and interesting? Yes. Next word is palm. 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 What it is? Palm. L is your silent. So the spelling should be PAM. But L is silent over here. Alright. Next is walk. WALK. Isn't it? Walk. So LK is your silent. Walk. Next is doubt. 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 So B is silent. Okay. When you pronounce it, then DOUT. Doubt is coming. But the spelling is DOBUT. The spelling is DOUBT. Next. Wrist. 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 You know what is the meaning of wrist? Wrist means the hand is the part of your hand sorry, in which you wear your watch. That is called wrist. That is why the watch is called wristwatch. In this, the spelling, the pronunciation is your wrist. W is your silent. Isn't it? W is what? W is your silent. But the spelling is, what is the spelling? WRIST. Wrist. Alright. Next is whistle. 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 Isn't it? T. Whistle. T is your silent. Right? And pronunciation whistle, but your T is silent, means the pronunciation of T is not coming. Next is comb. Comb. So B is your silent. Right? B is what? B is your silent, and only the pronunciation is coming of comb. Comb. But spelling is with including B. Right? Now next, what it is? It's very easy. This is your homework. What is this? This is your homework. Write down in your notebook or copy and please send this to me on my WhatsApp number. If you will not, then when your school will reopen, I will not tell you the story. This is the best punishment. Okay, so this is your homework. Write down in your notebook and you can send it to me in my number. I think that's enough, and please take care of yourself. Don't go out, stay at home and stay safe. Alright, you can take the screenshot. and your other homework is to learn this chapter. This chapter is over, and from next class we will going to start our what? Yes, we will going to start our grammar chapter, or we can have one more poem that is a good play. We can have that poem, or we what we can do, we can start up with the grammar. Okay, till then, take care, stay at home and stay safe.